Hello everyone, let's show you how to connect 360 EYES Wi-Fi camera. First, download and install the latest app 360 EYES by scanning the QR code. On Use menu, Connect Power. It will take a few seconds to start the camera. When you hear the voice two beeps and the red indicator light flashing, it means waiting for Wi-Fi connection. Open 360 EYES. Register as prompted and login. Click the plus symbol on the upper right corner of the screen. Choose Camera. Choose Wireless Mode and Next. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Turn up your mobile volume and make sure your mobile is near your camera. When you hear the voice "camera ready," it means your camera is connected successfully. You can name the camera as you want. Please refer to App Usage Help for more features.